Hello and welcome. Happy New Year to everyone. In today's video, I'd like to show you these hook protectors which I've recently received, and in my opinion, these ones are quite useful for the people which are actually lure fishing or are using treble hooks while fishing. I had a situation a couple of years back where I went lure fishing with my friend, and all of my lures were put in a single box and the treble hooks got tangled. And that was quite unpleasant experience when I was untangling them, because it took me approximately half an hour. Within that time I could have been fishing if I knew that these gadgets exist on the market. And since that time, I've actually bought myself a couple of boxes which have these different sections where I'm putting the lures in order for them not to interact with each other, so that the hooks wouldn't get tangled. But we're here not to talk about the boxes, we are here to talk about these hook protectors. If you think that these protectors might be useful for you, put a thumbs up under the video, or if you think differently, then you can actually dislike the video and leave your comment, because your opinion matters to me. One other thing, if you'd like to check the price, I'll put the link in the description of the video. How to use these? All is pretty simple. Over here we've got these plastic buttons that when we click, it actually releases this part here, because over there we've got a spring. And you've probably already understood how to use them, but I'm still gonna show you an example. So let's take this lure for example. Open the hook protector. We take our treble hook, just put it inside like so, close it down. So that's the first one, and we'll do the same with the second one. Open it up, put the treble hook inside, close it down, and that's it, as you can see. Let's take another one as a demonstration. That's the first one, and that's gonna be the second one. So as you can see, even if the lures will be in a single box, the treble hooks won't get tangled, and you won't have any issues while picking the lure that you'd like to use. That's it for today's video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.